Hola, Josie. These are the structures we're going to have this week while you're gone at Nationals for FFA. So good luck with that. So our first structure is going to be she or he lends to him or to her, and that is le presta. Okay, so here you're going to be looking for that verb, which is right here, presta, and it kind of sounds like to present something. So it means to lend something to someone, okay? So when I say le presta, I say he or she lends, and then my le is to him or to her, okay? So my past tense, the way I'm going to say she or he lent to him or to her, my completed past tense, I'm going to say le presto, okay? And make sure you accent that last O, and I kind of didn't say it right. I should have said le presto, okay, not le presto, okay? All right, the next one, it's more of a general expression. The way you say it goes well for him or for her is le sale bien, okay? So you would be talking about like, oh, how did the test go? Oh, the test, le sale bien. Okay, or actually you'd say le salió bien because it went well, okay? So we know that sale, we've learned last year, means to leave a place, okay? So really what we're saying is it left well to him or to her, okay? So if I want to say it went well for him or for her, I would say le salió bien. Okay, if I want to say it went poorly or didn't go well, then I could say le sale mal or le salió mal. Okay, and then our last structure would be he or she complains, and that is se queja. Okay, that's a J, and we know the J has a h sound, so se queja is she or he complains. And past tense, se quejó. He or she complained. Okay? So those are the structures. I'll say them one more time. Le presta, le prestó, le sale bien, le salió bien, se queja, and se quejó.